Today we will discuss how to make inactive of any inventory item. Come to product or services in sales. All our product or services will be listed here. Now we will make inactive of this product iPhone 16. Select this down arrow in action tab. Here we will get option called make inactive. Select this one. Now select this option make inactive. See, our product is deleted. Now we will see how to make this product active again. Come to filter. Here see in status it's only display all active product. Now select here inactive and apply filter. Here it's not showing. Now we'll select and apply here. See, our all inactive products will be displayed here. Now click here and make this product as an active. Select make active. See, and clear filter. See, our product is again activated.